Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of DevOps as a exciting journey to create a seamless CI/CD pipeline, right? So seamless means in the Jenkins we have required a server, right? In the Jenkins you have set up a server for the Jenkins, but in this project we are using the GitHub Action, right? So this is the seamless means it's not required any server. It's a serverless, and your project will be your cost will be also reduced, right? So, in this CI/CD pipeline, you're using some powerful tools like GitHub, GitHub Action, AWS S3, and Tomcat server. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a robust deployment system ready to automate your software development process. So let's not waste any time and get started. So our project is here is our developer. When the developer puts the code into our remote repository, that is we are using here the GitHub, right? And when the developer puts the code into the GitHub, it's automatically sends in our GitHub action, and it will start build, right? So you are here I am using the maven build, right? Maven, you are using build tool as a maven. It's a java based application, so I will use the build tool as a maven, right? Then when the build means the end product will create means that war file is create, it's automatically pushed to the our s3 aws s3. Here s3 we are using for using the S3 as a our artifactory, right? So and it's a we can store this in a version wise, right? Versioning enable in the our S3 bucket also. Then what will happen? It's after that the war file means the end product is automatically deployed to our Apache server, right? So this is our complete workflow for this project. So let's do the demo. So you can see this is my GitHub repository, and I will also give this repository link in the description section. You can use this repository. So let's start with how we will set up the GitHub action in this project, right? So you have to first go to this action. You can see here, this is the action button. Just click on this, right? And after this action button, clicking in the action button, let's go to this new workflow, right? Just click on this, and you can see here there is a lot of template is there, right? So here I will go for this java with maven, right? So let's I am using the java application, that's why I am use this template, right? So here is the template. Here is the actually this template is written in the you can see this is the YAML file, right? So indentation is must required. You have to maintain the indentation in this YAML file, right? And it will also save, right? You can see here that this is the path, this is the repository, right? Repository and dot github slash workflow, and slash maven.yml. Automatically this folder, right? This folder and this file is created in the which branch, in the main branch, right? So I have already written the complete this YAML file. Let's go to this terminal and I will explain what is this all those thing. So this is the name actually, right? And this is the on push means when suppose any developer push in the main branch, this automatically trigger, right? Push request, it's also written as the push request, right? So it's automatically built, right? And here we have mentioned the job. You can see there is two job. This is one the build job and another one is the deploy job, right? So in the build job, actually what happened is the run on Ubuntu latest, right? So it will create a container, like container, Ubuntu container, and inside this container it will build our Java application, right? So then go to this name is the here written the name for Java. I am using the Java 8 version, right? And here also mention the Java version, right? And after that the build with Maven, it's the name. Then the here I am using the ambient clean package, right? And it's a very simple thing. In Jenkins we have to set up a server, right? But in the GitHub action it's not required for CI/CD. It's not required any server, right? So after that, this ambient clean package, it will create a .war file. This is our artifact, right? And this artifact we will store in the artifactory. We are using the S3 bucket as a artifactory. So how we will push? So this is the command, right? Uh, mm, So here in the Ubuntu machine already AWS is configured, right? Don't worry about it. We just provide the credential here. This is the command you can see here. AWS S3. I think you have already know the AWS CLI command, how to push the in the S3 bucket. This is the same command, right? It's using the variable, right? It's using the variable, the GitHub underscore for workplace automatically detected, right? And wave slash target and dot var file, right? This is the, you can say this is the destination and this is the source, right? It's automatically stored in the Power Cloud 21. Its bucket is already created in the S3 S3, right? So okay, then this is the uh, environment, right? So environment means AWS default is I am using this bucket, right? Power Cloud 21 bucket in the AP South 1 in Amazon, sorry, in AWS account. It's the Mumbai region. Let's go to my AWS account. You can see this is the S3 bucket. Just click on it. Okay, so this is the our S3 bucket. This is, and Power Cloud 21 is created and this is in the Mumbai region, right? If you, I will go to insert it, there is the empty. When I will push the artifact, it will store in this place, right? So right, so let's go to our code. You can see here the AWS, the this is the access ID, and this is the secret access key, right? So we have to store this secret in the GitHub repository, right? So I will show you now how we will store this secret things in the GitHub repository, right? So let's go to this repository. I am clicking the, okay, leave it. Okay, so go to this is the code and simply go to this setting, right? This is the repository setting, just click on it, right? And scroll down, you can see the secret and variable, just click on and click this action, right? So you can see here new repository secret, right? Just click on it. You can means give the value here, right? So value is this is the value, right? Just copy it and paste it here. And in the secret we have to create a credential. For that I have go to IAM role of AWS, sorry, IAM identity access management, right? So go to this and create a user, right? Just click on it. I am giving like for cloud, right? And next, okay, directly attach the policy. I am selecting admin access, administration access, right? Go down, click on next, okay, and create user. Okay, so the user, I think it's created. Let's go to this and go to the security credential, right? And scroll down, access key, right? Created the access key, CLI, click on this, right? Click this checkbox, click on next. Just description, I am writing GitHub Action, right? Create a secret access key, right? You can download this one for future reference, okay? So you can see here, just open this file, okay? So this is the access key. Just copy this one and go to the browser here, right? Just add this secret, right? And add secret, right? So first thing is completed. Let's go to our code. And second thing is you have to add this one. I will like AWS secret access key, right? You have to go similarly, create a new secret, copy this and go to this credential section and copy the secret access key, paste it here, right? And add the secret, right? So I think you have understood up to this. Let's go to the second job, right? Second job, this is the deployment job. So you can see here in the deployment needs build means the first this job means build job happen, then it will this job will run, right? So first you can see here in the runs on, it's a Ubuntu, it automatically take the Ubuntu image, oh sorry, Ubuntu container. But you can see here runners on the self hosted, right? So here we will create a Tomcat server in AWS, right? EC2, and we will configure this in the GitHub Action, right? So let me create these things first, right? Let's go to our okay, go to this EC2, right? Click on it and let's go to the first the documentation. Where is the documentation? I will also give the documentation, don't worry. This is in the Power Cloud website also. You can see in the description section I will give this documentation, don't worry. Okay, this is the Tomcat documentation. Let's go to AWS account, okay, then go to the instance section, right? Launch instance. Here I'm writing Tomcat, right? And select this Amazon Linux, don't you? And go to this one, okay? And this is fine. Select. So this is present in this my download section, right? So let's go to the browser and select this one, right? And everything is fine. Just launch instance. In that time, let me open the git bash. Bash, right? Open this one. So right. Okay, let me go to the refresh this one. Right, it's pending state. Just wait. it's running. Just copy the public IP and go to this, paste it here, press enter. Okay, type yes. Okay, fine, right? Let's go to the documentation how to install Tomcat. Let's just copy these things, just install the Java because Tomcat is equal to Java, right? Java is installing now. Okay, fine. And let's go to the second command. Okay, fine. And then set the environment, then go to the OPT folder, then download then download the tab file. Okay, it's downloading, just wait. Okay, fine, the download is completed. If I will do ls-l, you can see it's downloaded, right? And then untar it, right? If I will do ls-l, right, it's untired now. Then rename this one to Tomcat. It's Tomcat, right? It's fine. Let's Tomcat go to the, okay, go to this, just edit the here name, username, password, set the username, password here. Remove this one. Okay, and copy this one and paste it here. Okay, and give the syntax, it will give the syntax error, so that's why give this symbol, right? Then it will work. Okay, fine, fine, right? So this is our username and this is our password, right? So save this one. Okay, everything is fine. Let's start the Tomcat server, right? Just copy this command, sudo, paste it, and it's started. And let's go to the AWS EC2 instance, go to this security section, right? And in the security section, edit the inbound rule and like 8080, because default port is 8080 for Tomcat. Save this one, right? Go to the instance details, copy this public IP. If I will just a minute, colon 8080, if I will press enter, then we will show our Tomcat server, right? So this is our Tomcat server. Our Tomcat server is ready now. Then what we will do, just go to the, okay, this is the, okay, deployment section. Okay, runner, how to add the runner, right? So okay, first let me do the AWS CLI, install the AWS CLI here, right? AWS CLI Amazon, I think already set up in the Amazon Linux, it's already set up, I think. So let me check, right? cd, right? Sudo, not sudo, AWS configure. Yes, already set up AWS CLI. If you will use the Ubuntu, then we will set up the AWS CLI here, right? So where is the this credential used, right? Then secret access key, paste it here, default, okay, fine. Then go to the our runner, right? It's the most important thing. right? So go to this, this is my repository. Just go to this and go to the setting, right? Go to the setting, just scroll down. You can see here there is an action. When you click, you can see the runners. Just go to this, and here you can click on the new host runner, right? I am using the Ubuntu, right? Sorry, I am using the Linux operating system. Just click on it and apply this command, right? Copy this one, go to the terminal, paste it here, press enter, right? And then go to this, just copy and paste it here, press enter, right? It's downloaded, right? And then go to this, copy this one, paste it here, press enter. Okay, what happened? Okay, then copy this one, just a minute. Okay, okay, GitHub Action is running, right? Default press enter, skip. Runner successfully added, right? Wait, default. Okay, now runner is added. Let's start this one, right? What we will do, you can have just give a space and give a this symbol, right? And it will run in the background, present, right? It will run in the background. Okay, so again go to this runner. Okay, now you can see here this is the self-hosted, right? Though, so that's why I am written here the self-hosted, right? You have a setup like this, right? And if I will go to it, so let's go to our code, right? And you can see here this thing is set up. Then what we will do, it will connect this job now will connect it to our self hyphen hosted, means this server, right? This server is connected, right? So here it will download the s3, it will download this artifact in our s3 bucket, right, to our temp folder, right? Then this is the environment setup, this is the Mumbai region, and it will copy this artifact to this artifact to our Tomcat web app, right? So this is our complete project, right? Just copy this one and go to our this template, delete all these things, paste it here, and commit this one. When I will commit this one, it automatically run, right? Go to the GitHub Action and you can click on this. You can see here there is two job, right? If I will go to this build job, it's automatically, you can see the build is happening. You can see here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, it's uploading, it's fine. Okay, first job is completed. Let's go to the deployment. Just wait, it's starting. Just wait. Okay, I think this is also completed, right? So let me go to, just copy this one first. Where is this one? Just wait. Yeah, this one, time tracker. Okay, just copy this one and go to the Tomcat server. Here give a slash and paste it here, press enter. You can see this is our project, right? Welcome to Power Cloud and DevOps cloud related information. Join with us. And if I will let me go to this, and if I will do any changes, right? Let me do any changes here. it's automatically built, you can see here, right? Let me do any changes here, right? In this here I'm giving dot exclamatory symbol and comment this one, right? And when we will go to this action, you can see it's automatically trigger, and file name also, right? If I will do build here, click on build, it automatically, you can see, automatically built. And here there is no server required, right? In Jenkins you will use a server for the separate Jenkins, right? It's now uploading to the S3 bucket, just wait. Okay, fine. Okay, completed, first job completed. Then go to the deployment, just wait. Uploading, okay, completed. And deployment also completed, right? Fine, right? Just okay, fine. You can see here two job is completed. And if I'll go to this and press enter, you can see CI/CD is perfectly working fine, right? Okay, okay. So in this way you can do this in your project also, right? If I will go to cd temp, right, you can see this is the war file, right? This is the war file here, right? And if I will go to cd opt slash, it will copy to this folder Tomcat and O above, right? If I will do ls-l, you can see this is copied to this folder, right? So, and again, if you will go to our S3, right? Go to the S3 and go to this. You can see this is our artifact, right? So, hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting DevOps content. Until next time, happy coding.